Inculpate. To blame someone for a crime. They tried to inculpate him without clear proof. The evidence may inculpate the wrong person. Escheat. Property going to the government when no owner is found. The land went to the state by escheat. The house became an escheat after no heirs were found. Impunity. Doing wrong without punishment. He acted with impunity and feared no law. The group caused trouble with impunity. Deponent. A person who gives a statement in court. The deponent signed the legal paper. The deponent gave his statement clearly. Suzerainty. Control of one country over another. The empire had suzerainty over smaller states. The region accepted foreign suzerainty. Hackneyed. Overused and boring. The story felt hackneyed and predictable. His speech was full of hackneyed ideas. Misanthrope. A person who dislikes people. He lived alone like a misanthrope. The character was shown as a misanthrope. Flourish. To grow or do well. The business began to flourish quickly. Plants flourish with proper care. Sacrosanct. Very important and should not be changed. His beliefs were sacrosanct to him. Some traditions are considered sacrosanct. Wanderlust. Strong desire to travel. She felt a strong wanderlust to see the world. His wanderlust took him to many countries. Supplication. A humble request or prayer. He made a supplication for help. She spoke in a tone of supplication. Lamentation. Expressing deep sadness. There was loud lamentation after the loss. Her lamentation showed her pain. Transgression. Breaking a rule or law. He was punished for his transgression. The act was seen as a serious transgression. Bicameral. Having two parts, like two houses in government. The country has a bicameral system. The law was passed in a bicameral parliament. Mens rea. Intention to do a crime. The court looked for mens rea in the case. Without mens rea, the crime was unclear. Omission. Leaving something out. His omission of details caused confusion. The report had an important omission. Remand. Send back or keep in custody. The court remanded him to custody. He was held on remand for a few days. Fiduciary. A person trusted to manage money or responsibility. He acted as a fiduciary for the company. A fiduciary must act honestly. Malfeasance. Doing wrong in an official position. The officer was accused of malfeasance. The case involved serious malfeasance. Pompous. Acting too proud or showing off. His pompous attitude annoyed everyone. She sounded pompous while speaking. Vestiges. Small remaining parts of something. Only vestiges of the old building remain. He kept vestiges of his past memories. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.